Okay, here's another Fresnel lens that I've got, and slightly bigger tally than the other one, and this time I'm attempting to boil water in a beer bottle.
Well, you have boiled water.
And looks like it's pretty successful to me. It's probably taken about 10 minutes to get to that stage, maybe a bit shorter. I think there's a strong possibility the bottle's going to shatter. Earlier I tried to heat a bowl of water up here. I put a bit of glass over the bowl, and the whole pane just shattered. So this seems to be a little bit more successful. The focal shape isn't a point; it's more of a straight line, and seems to suit heating a bottle of water quite well.
That ain't gonna last.
I don't think this thing's got long to live. Phenomenal amount of power being pumped out of this.
I give it less than 30 seconds. Sunglasses on, I think.
It's quite bright. Oh.
You can hear it boiling away in there.
Oh yes.
Do you think it'll shatter, or do you think it'll explode?
I think it'll just crack, to be honest.
And just smash everywhere. It's almost been 30 seconds, what a bugger.
I allowed my probe to get a bit too close to the focal point. Still works though. Just going to give it a bit of a temperature reading in here. Oh, there we go.
What does it say it is?
Well, there it says it's 70 degrees.
I
Bring
can
it up.
see it boiling though, so...
Yeah, bring it up near the top. It's a lot hotter, of course.